You've charged 4 men with rape. Not 3, 4. Is that 4th man in this courtroom? Miss Saybrook, you understand the question? Miss Saybrook.
I understand the question.
Then you know what you have to do. In the name of justice, if that 4th man is in this room, point him out.
No, there's no 4th man. 3 men. 3 men raped me.
The 3 men you've identified, Powell Lord, Zach Rosen, and Todd Manning.
Yes.
And the 4th man. What about the 4th defendant?
That's all. No. The 3 of them. No one else raped me.
Your Honor, I would like a recess to confer with my witness.
Objection, Your Honor. The witness is giving a direct answer to a direct question by the district attorney. I don't see, just because he doesn't like her answer.
Your Honor, there's clearly some kind of confusion here.
No, I'm not confused. I was confused about what happened
Marty,
before.
don't say
Your Honor, I would like to hear the witness's full answer to this.
The witness has answered.
Sit down, please. Both of you. I want to hear this witness's remarks. If there is doubt about an accusation against one of the defendants, I, for one, wish to know about it. Miss Saybrook, are you changing your testimony regarding Kevin Buchanan?
When I went to the police after it happened, I was sure Kevin Buchanan was one of the men that raped me. But that night it went on for so long, and I was confused.
Your Honor,
I'll allow this testimony, Mr. Gannon. Miss Saybrook, when you say it went on for so long, to what are you referring?
What they did to me, the rape. And I know I passed out at least once. But I'm clear now. I know who did what to me. And Kevin wasn't one of them. Well, these past few days, I was worrying that I had made a mistake about Kevin, that I was mixed up. But it's so hard. So hard to relive what happened that night. But I forced myself, and I went over everything that happened in Kevin's room that night.
And now you have remembered it more clearly?
I'm sure that those 3, do I have to name them?
Are you referring to the other defendants?
Yes, but not Kevin.
That will be clearly noted.
I'm sure they did it to me. What I said they did. But as sure as I am about that, I'm sure that Kevin didn't rape me. He didn't do anything to me. He was only trying to help me. He was only trying to help me. I hope you understand. I made a terrible mistake in naming Kevin. I stand behind what I said about those other three. Completely, I do. Kevin never did anything. To try to look out for me.
This court appreciates, Miss Saybrook, your frankness, your honesty.
The case against Buchanan is nothing but a pile of ashes now, Hank. If you want to salvage anything, you better.
Yeah, I know.
Right now.
Does the prosecution have any more questions for this witness?
Not at this time, Your Honor. But the Commonwealth reserves the right to recall this witness at a later date.
Granted.
And in view of the testimony this witness has just given, the people request an extended recess before proceeding.
That's reasonable. I will recess the court for approximately a week, which will allow both sides to regroup. Before we recess, does the district attorney have anything else he wants to say?
Your Honor, make no mistake. The Commonwealth will continue its case against Todd Manning, Zachary Rosen, and Powell Lord. But in view of the statements the witnesses just made, the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania sees no option but to withdraw all charges against Kevin Buchanan.
Kevin Buchanan, will you rise? This court dismisses all charges against you.
Thank you, Your Honor.